Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Shopify's email marketing features. So before starting this video, make sure that you are logged into your Shopify store, and after logging into your Shopify store, what you're gonna have to do is you can see that we have bunch of different options, and in these options you need to click on marketing option. And when you basically click on the marketing option, what you're going to have to do, we have to basically make a new campaign. So click on create campaign, and now these are different type of campaigns that we can use. Okay, so in this you need to click on email, and then here we have Shopify email. So basically 10,000 free emails per month and $1 per 1,000 additional emails. Okay, so basically we get 10,000 free emails per month that we can basically send. So click on Shopify email, and it will basically opens up in the new tab here, and here you can see now we have like bunch of different templates here. Okay, so you can basically select any kind of template from it if you want. So I'm just gonna go with this one. The gifting season is on, so click on view template. So it will basically gives us the templates. So this is the template, you can just view it and then you can click on select. And now what we're gonna have to do is we just just like optimize it according to our needs. Okay, so in two we have all subscribers. Okay, so we can basically select any individual person, customers who haven't purchased, customers who have purchased more than once, abundant checkouts. Like we have like different type of filters here to whom we can send this email. Then we add the subject, preview text, and then we select the store, and then we can basically customize this email according to our needs. We can change the text here, and change the background image and everything as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will